All right, let's take a start with IELTS speaking part 1. Do you work or study?
Yes, I am professional. I just joined real estate business just a couple of weeks ago.
All right, where are you from?
This is my, you can say, hometown, Lahore, from Town. I live in Town.
All right, what do you like about your hometown?
There are several things that would be loved, but the most important thing is the environment in my town. That is very comfortable. I feel.
Okay, do you think your hometown is an interesting place to live?
Yes, I think because we have community centers, we have public parks there, and a departmental store there. All the facilities we have.
Do people often visit your hometown from other cities and countries?
No, probably not. People come there. Instead, is there any relevant or any relations there? Then they will come.
All right. What do you dislike about your hometown?
I think we have facing trouble in electricity. So this is the main problem.
Okay, your answers are short. You need to add some more detail. Right? What do you dislike about your hometown? The only thing I don't like about my hometown is shortage of electricity. Shortage is a good word. Because of this, there are several power cuts, and then I cannot do anything during the power cut. So to answer your question, shortage of electricity and power cut, these two things I really dislike about my hometown. Don't like and dislike, rewording. Okay? So just answer like this, add some detail. Do people often eat out in your hometown?
Yeah, mostly people love to go with their family in free time. So even I love to go with my family in free time.
See, that is repetition. People love to go in their free time. I love to go in my free time. That's what we call repetition. This thing shows you have very limited knowledge of English language.
Yeah.
So you need to answer differently. For example, do people often eat out in your hometown? Yes, people love to eat out. Lahore is a place which is very famous all over the world because of its traditional food, and at night people love to enjoy dinner in different places. We do have a couple of food streets here as well. So to answer your question, yes, people really enjoy eating out in my hometown. Something like this, okay? And when you answer, your excitement, your cheerfulness, your all these things will be shown, and then it will be shown on your TRF, test result form as well, right? Okay, let's go on. One last question. What type of educational facilities are available in your hometown?
In my hometown, there is primary school.
Okay.
Normally, all the students, children go join this school. So this is the one school in my town.
Only in Lahore, all Lahore,
No,
one
no,
primary
I'm
school,
talking about
You
my-
need to explain more. See, this video is going internationally. People will say in Lahore there is only one school. Let me tell you guys, there are many schools, thousands of schools here. Okay? So, and one more thing, categorize your answer. First of all, there are several primary schools here where children go. On the other hand, we have a good range of colleges, both private and government. And finally, the world top ranking universities are also available in my hometown. Something like that. Okay, so answer, this should be, if you have limited ideas, you will demonstrate limited language. If you have varied ideas, then varied vocabulary, varied language, and all that. Okay? All right, thank you for a start. It's okay, but you need to work hard with it.